Hello guys, and what did you think? Sorry guys, I accidentally ruined it. But either way, right now I'm looking in the mirror and I'm looking pretty good. So we're gonna go up now in this video. Pretend it's December 25th because I'm not actually doing that. Birthday, nice and cool because Christmas is being hot this year. Yeah, you notice one thing, don't you? My house is not decorated for Christmas. That's because I've been busy working with the villagers in my special village in this world that I've been working on for about a year. Oh, and I have my resource pack on, so yeah. Every house has a little wreath next to the door, except for the burnt down one. And this one that hasn't been bought yet, but still we've got this. The villagers aren't good with modding, so they set up these massive green and red things, ribbons, woolen ribbons everywhere. It's really ugly, but I put fairy lights across it, so it's not all bad. No, it's getting light and I'm holding a mirror. I shouldn't hold a mirror and they're all fighting, but I want to show you we have some mods on this world, clearly. Mr. Crayfish's furniture mod is in here. Beds mod. Yeah, guys, this is my lab world where I showed you the Avarata. I haven't shown you the Avarata mod yet. This world has an arena, and I'm going to show. This is going to be my actual mod review world now. Guys, it started looking flipping awesome because I'm my favorite YouTuber and my favorite other YouTuber and my favorite YouTuber overall is in one skin. You can download the skin on Minecraft. Just search up Rick the Bat as an account, and this will show up as Rick the Jam. I don't know why I say that, I just do. Don't know why that keeps opening, but I do. This isn't much of a house. It's more just where I keep my cookie jar. Hold on. Guys, you're gonna hear my parents' voice through this video, which is really annoying. But ignore and focus on my voice, because mine is way better. So this is my bed, a black, purple, and a creeper face. We might put this person's bed, I shouldn't. Wait, did you? Let's But that was a nice well-deserved rest. Let's move on. Down these stairs. I think something weird's going on out there to do with Christmas. Because in reality, in Minecraft it's December 25th. But no presents being given out, so we're still only setting up. Here's my other house. Then the well. Then a zombie. Just saying Merry Christmas to a villager. Guys, this mod is cool. It has also. We're gonna bring some Christmas, mate. Oh wow, he actually dropped the sword. This is scaffolding from a few showing stuff in the future, but anyway, Yeah, so this is a Christmas. So we're upgrading the church because it's a church and it should be updated. But this is about Christmas, isn't it? So there's only one thing we can do. Now I know who loves sparkly. You know what's now my friend Bob. Now, guys, there's someone who loves sparkly things named Bob. He owns the. We're all going to Steve's house, and I have no idea which villager is which because they all look the same. I think I'm gonna have to probably start remembering who these guys are. But yeah, we're going to Steve's house. He lives just over the road from me. Steve, you home? Okay, good. He's not home because Steve is the one who loves. See, we'll pretend to be Steve in this video. We'll pretend to be some of the people from the series, from all my games, from my friends. What on earth is my dad doing? I don't know what my dad's doing out there, but let's focus on. I'm doing this. It's actually like 10 o'clock or something. It's really late. But for someone I know loves science, this is actually not my present. My friend Harry is not gonna get this. It's one of my Minecraft series people. Who's coming soon. Okay, guys. Yep. Gmodded Getting is going well. And the next episode will be posted tomorrow. Even though they were filmed like... I've got the next series actually ready to post. This is doing the night before when I'm posting it, guys. Hopefully. Okay, it's only 9:49. Close enough to 12, right? And it is the 21st at 9:49, guys. Weird, like... I'm getting focused. So we have a... What will we get? I don't have any real... I will give Harry... He's gonna really appreciate what I'm doing for him. He loves... His Minecraft name is Cake Boy, so I'm guessing he loves cake. But I'm gonna give him enough. TNT's for a different present, so... TNT is for Lucky, my pet creeper. There's a pet creeper named Lucky. I think Cake can get yellow. Actually no, his color is orange like mine is purple. So we have Golem. I put iron. Guys, I can't actually see my keyboard. And turn up my screen brightness so it will light up my room a bit. So this is gonna be Harry's present. And I only have 4 cakes in there. Sorry, buddy. I was gonna give you 9. So orange is Harry. My pet creeper Lucky. Mainly because he's green, I'm gonna give him green. Guys, I haven't even spawned Lucky in this world. Life isn't complete without Lucky the Creeper. And without an anvil to name Lucky the Creeper. Don't worry, this guy needs an This guy asked me to put an anvil in his house, and I went, why on earth would I do that at Christmas? Well, but now I'm gonna tell him, mate, I need. Oh. Does everybody have a pet creeper? Why doesn't everybody have a pet creeper? I think we'll bring Lucky up into this room. Oh, and because of my resource pack, he's actually dressed up. I'll be right back without that. Suddenly Minecraft is glitched out and now nothing works. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, have fun. Have fun. Watch Gaming with Jen and Rick Days. All my game videos, I'm always gonna have this because it's awesome. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Remember to always play fair. Peace out.